ABC Educational Channel.
Hello kids! Today, we will learn about signs and symbols. These are pictures that tell us what we should do or should not do. Let's explore them one by one. No parking. This sign means you cannot park your car here. No parking. Poison. This sign means something is dangerous or toxic. Do not touch or eat it. One way. This sign means cars can only go in one direction. One way. Bus stop. This is where buses stop to pick up and drop off passengers. Bus stop. No smoking. This sign means smoking is not allowed. Recycled. This sign means we should recycle things to take care of the earth. Recycled. Male and female. These signs are for restrooms for boys and girls. Male and female. No matches. This sign means you cannot light matches or start a fire here. No matches. Swimming area. This sign shows a place where you can swim safely. Swimming area. No overtaking. This means cars should not pass each other on the road. No overtaking. Stop. This sign tells cars to stop and look before moving. Stop. Do not enter. This means you cannot go inside or drive through. Do not enter. No U-turn. This sign means cars cannot turn around here. No U-turn. School zone. This shows a school is nearby. Cars must drive slowly. School zone. Pedestrian lane. This is the crosswalk where people can safely walk across the road. Pedestrian lane. Bike lane. This is a special lane for bicycles only. Bike lane. Parking area. This sign shows where cars can park. Parking area. Hospital. This sign shows a hospital is nearby for sick people. Hospital. Warning. This means to be careful because danger might be ahead. Fire exit. This shows the way out if there is a fire. Fire exit. No littering. This means do not throw trash on the ground. No littering. No swimming. This means swimming is not allowed here. Swimming. Great job, kids! Today we learned about many signs and symbols like stop, no parking, hospital, and recycle. These signs keep us safe and help us follow rules. Always watch for signs wherever you go.